Here are 5 winning products you need to be dropshipping this January in 2024. We'll just get right into it. So here's the first TikTok video that I found, and this is a hologram spinner. So I'm just gonna watch the ad. This popped up on my For You page. They've been doing a lot of sales. So basically it's a fan that when it turns on, it shows an image, any image that you will like. Now this is the website they do have. It's very generic and there's too much going on this website. So what you could do is you can make a simpler website with the reviews and everything. They're selling it for $72 and they're sourcing it for around $30 to $40. I found some that were a little cheaper with higher shipping costs. Really depends on which listing you're getting it from. Now, the second product is good for anyone who has a health and wellness brand. Now, it is a digital electronic hand grip strength trainer. And now you used to have the old strength trainer where it's basically a hand grip, and they're going to show you in this video. This is a digital one where you can increase the intensity of the trainer. Let me just show you so this ad is going to show you the previous ones. We're just going to watch it all the way through. See, that was the previous ones that they used to drop ship and that was trending before, but now this is the new one. They're selling it for $39.99 and they're sourcing it for $1. Now a lot of work can be used on the website itself. It looks very standard, very generic. The good thing about organic TikTok dropshipping is you could still have your website look very basic and people will still buy because of the creative itself. In 2024, that's the big thing that's going on. It really matters about the creative itself and not much about the website. Now the third product is this projector. Now it is cold out. This is perfect, especially that Valentine's Day is coming up in February, so this will sell all the way through. So prepare your store ahead of time. This projector, you can put it on any wall you will like. It's not a stationary projector, and they're selling it for $109. These are high ticket drop shipping items, and you can source it for $45. Now this is doing really well. You can see the engagement on here, about 95,000 likes. So this is a perfect addition to your store. The next product is this automatic stir mug. And now this is perfect for college students, and this is perfect for a home niche where you have home gadgets. And it did go viral, and this is their website, which is really ugly. So you can do a lot of work over there. Even if a brand went viral, and then you can differentiate with the store. So you can copy the same script, copy the same video style, but just change the website. Make sure your website looks better, and this could appeal and make your brand more appealing than the other viral brand that went out. And they're sourcing it for about $1. Now the last product is a product that I've sold also, and this is a really good ad for it, and I'm pretty sure you saw it on your For You page. It used a direct problem that this product solves, and it is a very engaging ad. It has comedic aspects to it, so it kept a lot of audience and it had a lot of engagement, and they have a beautiful website. I would just take this top ticker. I think that's doing a little too much. You could just have a static one, and you can see how their website is. Now this website theme is from Shrine if you're interested in that, but you can also use the free themes to make your website, and they have their bundles set up, they have their emoji and everything set up, their images, their GIFs. Beautiful website to say the least. They're sourcing it for about $11.99, which is a high profit margin. Now I know we went through this really quick, but the point of these videos is to give you these products. You can jump on them as soon as possible. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, write in the comments. Until next time.